Say what's up, Rae.
What's up?
What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? That's right. You're watching Rae and I make ice cream, and you might see behind us, we are at the CW31 station, and we just got off Good Day Sacramento, huh? Is that pretty cool? Yeah, we just wanted to show you a clip from it because we had so much fun. Rae had a lot of fun. I don't know if you can tell all the ice cream's all over her. But yeah, we just wanted to show you guys and thank you so much for the support. Yeah, here's a clip. Rae, anything you want to say to our friends?
Bye.
Bye-bye. All right, so we are back. Want to say what's up? What's up? You might have seen us on Good Day Sacramento. We put the link in the description. Since we obviously don't want to show that because it's their own YouTube channel, you should check out them. We are just gonna remake the ice cream right now. Isn't that cool? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we're gonna do it really quick. We'll show you guys how to make it. And
then it's my birthday today.
That's right. It is your birthday. That's right. Isn't that so cool? Should we sing happy birthday to you?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
No. Actually, go to my party.
Oh, okay, sounds good. We won't sing right now. Anyway, we will show you how to make it. Really easy, just need a couple ingredients, and as you may have seen on Good Day Sacramento. What's that?
We are got the ingredients.
Yeah, we already have the ingredients, but we're just gonna show our friends how to make it real quick. Is that okay? Cool, let's go.
Let's go. I need to get closer to me.
So we didn't set up the tripod because we're just gonna do it really quick. We have our KitchenAid bowl right there, and we have all of our ingredients right here. So we have a half a cup. Oh, we don't have anything in there. We've got a half a cup of cake mix. We've got a half a cup of sugar. We've got 1 cup of whole milk. And we have 2 cups of heavy cream. And we also have our sprinkles. So Rae, what should we put in first?
Sugar.
All right, cool. So Rae's gonna put in the sugar. Good job. All right, cool. And now we have a couple other options. What should we do next? All right, so we'll put in the cake mix. All right, good job. We have 2 more ingredients left. What do you want to do?
No.
Whole milk? All right, cool. Can I help you with this one? All right, cool.
Then I will drink it.
Well, okay. We'll pour in. There's that. And last but not least, we have our heavy cream right here.
And then I will drink it.
All right, cool. Let's do it all the way. And then Rae, of course, is going to drink it. That's all the ingredients that we need. It's obviously really quick. You guys can do it at home super easy. Well, yeah, we're going to do that at the end.
Now.
Oh, no, we don't need to do it now.
Yeah.
Well, because then that would just mix in with the base and it wouldn't be all that great. Anyway, so we're gonna take this over to the ice cream station and we're gonna mix it up. And then, and then we'll put it into the ice cream machine and the cold bowl. How's that sound?
Good.
All right, cool. You wanna head over there?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I don't know if we need that, but that's okay. So we're gonna take our bowl with all of our ingredients right in there. Ray's still drinking. We'll put this onto our KitchenAid. Shout out KitchenAid. We'll put that down. Rae, you want to turn that on? A little fast. Let it mix for about 5 minutes. And we'll come back and we'll put it in the cold bowl. You know what time it is. We got the cold bowl. Put that right in squeeze in our ice cream machine. Good job. Looks like our mix is just about done. Oh, we don't need to put that in. Not yet. Nothing in there.
I'm trying. There you go, Dada.
Well, thank you. We're going to lift that up and give it a shot. Let me know what you think. You like it?
More.
All right. Our base is done.
Then drink it.
Okay. So now we'll put this into the cold bowl. Gotta get all the sprinkles.
You get all the sprinkles.
I don't know. There's a couple of sprinkles in there still. So we'll put the top on. There we go. Ready to turn it on. Get it mixed in. Ray's gonna drink the rest. So we are back. We have all of our ice cream right there. Rae, you super excited? Yeah, super good. I love this one. Now, obviously, we just need to take this and put it into our container, but we also have our sprinkles. Are you eating it?
Where?
What's it taste like?
Sugar.
Take that. Oh, I thought you were gonna help.
But maybe it falls out of what I do it.
Oh, okay. So get a big scoop. Put it right into there. Now that we have a layer, Rae, you wanna grab the sprinkles? All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So we got the sprinkles.
I got it.
Well, it doesn't have a filter on it, so let me just pour some in. All right. Whoop. All right. So now we'll pour in some more ice cream. We'll take our sprinkles. We have all of our ice cream right in there. So now we just need to pour a little bit on top. Just be careful with it. Oh, all right. Yeah, that's not bad. Maybe a little bit more. Good. Oh, okay. So we'll use the rest of the sprinkles. And now we just need to mix it up. You want to take it and mix it?
Uh-oh.
What happened? Oh, you got a lot of sprinkles on there. Oh, okay. And there we have it. Mix it all together, and voila. So now we're gonna take this, put it into the freezer, turn it into hard ice cream, so we can eat it for your birthday. How's that sound?
Good.
All right, cool. Rae, happy birthday. We love you so much. Any reaction?
No.
Cool. For your birthday, I want to sing you a very special song, okay? Are you ready? Let's sing Happy Birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. What do you think?
Happy birthday.
Oh, Mama with the vocals.
Happy birthday to ya.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to ya.
Oh, thank you, Mama. If you like what you see, definitely subscribe to the channel. Rae, do you like what you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. So, on behalf of Rae, myself, Mama, Sienna, Biggie, Pacer, we just want to say bye-bye. Happy birthday, Rae.
Birthday.
Can you say bye-bye to our friends?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good night, guys.